Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will take you guys through my Ikea Socker Greenhouse because it's weekend and I just thought I'll give you guys an update on what's growing. So here I have this pot of string of turtles and it's doing quite well. It was inside the greenhouse, but I just took it out recently and I had just watered this once last month, and yeah, this is about it. I don't water this quite often, so here it is. And this is my anthurium. It's doing quite well. And then my Monstera elbow, which I took a cutting of it recently, and it's in leca. It's doing okay. And here is my Ikea greenhouse. There's jewel orchid. There are a bunch of Hoyas, more Hoyas, and then there's Anthurium clarinervium. And this is how it looks. I have a lot of Hoyas. I still have to put 1 or 2 Hoyas inside, but just waiting. And I'm using this plastic bag because there are gaps in this greenhouse which I haven't fixed yet, so I am just using this plastic sheet. And this is about it. This is my greenhouse. This is how it looks, and yeah, it's quite a pretty sight to look at, and I enjoy looking at it, and it's a good display for my plants. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, do give it a like, and if you're new to my channel, do consider subscribing for more such planty contents. I'll see you all in my next video. Take care.